What's up guys, Mr. Scythe here. I know it's not a riding video or a photography video, but I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Ingco lithium ion cordless drill. This is a fairly affordable drill, and it's wireless. That's the nice thing I like about it. It's pretty affordable. It's like 1,200 kwacha, somewhere there. So yeah, it's hopefully to do the job quite well for a decent amount of time. I've actually bought products from them before, like a pressure washer, which is a couple of years old now, but it's still working perfectly fine. So yeah, let's get into this. Let's check out what's in the box. Okay, please charge once before December 2024. This is 2023. Okay, here we've got the charger. All right. We've got the charger. We've got the battery. Feels pretty solid, so that's a good thing. Feels pretty solid. We've got the actual drill itself. Yeah, not too shabby. Yeah. Okay. Build quality isn't too bad, to be honest. Excuse me. I know it's not the same as like those other brands. This is made in I think it's made like in India, maybe. I'm not too sure. So yeah, it's not too bad. Oh, it's made in China. Yeah. So yeah, it comes with the drill as well. This is a driver bit. It's got the Phillips and the flat. So yeah, basically that's everything in the box. I actually got some drill bits for it as well. It's also Ingco brand as well. It's from metal, masonry, and wood. So yeah, got the different drill bits here as well. Yeah, so they look decent. So we'll check out how good they actually are once I put it to the test. And yeah, got some DIY projects I wanna get done and things like that. So yeah, let's hear how it sounds. Let me just plug it. Okay, so let's check it out. Got a light as well. Pretty cool. It's got the different modes. Yeah. It's got the battery meter here as well. You see how much battery you have. So that's 4 bars. Yeah. It's got your different modes. Yeah. So all in all, not too bad. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Cheerio.